Question 301. How do you approach the integration of cloud-based solutions in academic settings? Integrating cloud-based solutions requires a thorough assessment of institutional needs and existing infrastructure. I begin by evaluating which services, like Google Cloud or AWS, can enhance our educational offerings. After gaining stakeholder buy-in, I oversee pilot programs to test usability and effectiveness. Training sessions are then crucial to ensure faculty and students can leverage these tools effectively. I also emphasize data security and compliance with regulations like FERPA, ensuring that our cloud solutions align with academic integrity and privacy standards. Continuous monitoring and feedback from users help refine the integration process for optimal performance. Question 302. Describe a time you resolved a significant technical challenge in an academic environment. At my previous institution, we faced a major issue during final exams when our online proctoring system crashed. I quickly assembled a team to troubleshoot the issue, dividing tasks among us based on expertise. We identified that a server overload caused the failure, so I initiated a contingency plan to switch to an alternative platform while concurrently working with IT to implement scaling solutions. Communication was vital. I kept faculty and students updated on our progress. Ultimately, we resolved the crisis within hours, allowing exams to proceed with minimal disruption. This experience underscored the importance of preparation and swift team dynamics. Question 303. How do you assess the effectiveness of academic programs in terms of technology utilization? Assessing the effectiveness of academic programs involves a multifaceted approach. I deploy surveys and focus groups to gather feedback from students and faculty about their experiences with technology. Additionally, analyzing usage data from platforms helps pinpoint areas of strength and weakness. I also compare course outcomes and student engagement metrics before and after implementing new technologies to evaluate impact. Regular reviews and adjustments based on this data ensure we are meeting educational goals effectively. Lastly, collaborating with institutional assessment offices can offer deeper insights into program effectiveness and guide future technology investments. Question 304. What role does CCD play in your approach to developing educational software? CCD, or Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment, is crucial in developing educational software. It allows for rapid iteration and testing of features based on user feedback. I advocate for establishing automated testing protocols to catch bugs early and streamline updates. Employing version control systems helps manage changes effectively, ensuring that all team members are aligned. Additionally, CCD facilitates the deployment of new features without significant downtime, which is vital in an academic setting where stability is crucial. By prioritizing a culture of collaboration and transparency, we ensure that software meets educational needs and is consistently improved based on user experiences. Question 305. How do you foster an inclusive culture within an academic technology team? Fostering an inclusive culture starts with establishing clear values that prioritize diversity and equity. I encourage open dialogue during team meetings, where everyone's ideas and perspectives are welcomed. Regular team-building activities help strengthen relationships and promote understanding among team members from diverse backgrounds. Additionally, implementing mentorship programs allows individuals to share knowledge and experiences, further enhancing team cohesion. I also advocate for diversity in hiring practices, ensuring we attract and retain talent from various backgrounds. By celebrating cultural differences through events and initiatives, we create an environment where all team members feel valued and empowered to contribute meaningfully. Question 306. What metrics do you consider when evaluating student engagement with online learning platforms? When evaluating student engagement, I consider a variety of metrics, including login frequency, time spent on platform tasks, and completion rates of assignments or modules. Additionally, I analyze participation in discussion forums and collaborative tools to measure interaction levels. Surveys can also provide qualitative data on student satisfaction and perceived value. I track performance metrics, such as grades and feedback scores, to correlate engagement levels with academic outcomes. Combining quantitative and qualitative data allows for a comprehensive understanding of how effectively students are engaging with the material and helps identify areas for improvement in course design and technology deployment. Question 307. How do you handle resistance to adopting new educational technologies among faculty? Addressing resistance to new technologies requires empathy and strategic communication. I begin by engaging with faculty to understand their concerns, whether they stem from usability, training gaps, or skepticism about effectiveness. Providing tailored training sessions that align with their teaching goals can alleviate fears. I also highlight success stories from peers who have benefited from the new tools, creating a sense of community and shared learning. Implementing a phased approach allows faculty to gradually adapt, minimizing disruption. Ongoing support, including one-on-one consultations, helps build confidence and promotes a culture of innovation rather than fear of change. Question 308. Can you explain the importance of data privacy in educational technology? Data privacy in educational technology is paramount due to the sensitive nature of student information. Institutions must comply with regulations like FERPA and GDPR to protect personal data. Ensuring that any technology used for educational purposes has robust security measures is crucial to prevent data breaches and maintain trust with students and parents. I advocate for regular audits of data handling practices and third-party vendors to ensure compliance. Furthermore, educating faculty and students about best practices for data privacy fosters a culture of responsibility. By prioritizing data privacy, we not only protect our institution, but also enhance our reputation in the academic community. Question 309. Describe how you would implement a new learning management system, LMS, in an academic institution. Implementing a new LMS involves a structured approach. First, I conduct a needs assessment with stakeholders, including faculty and students, to identify key features required. After selecting an appropriate LMS, I develop a project timeline with milestones for implementation phases. I prioritize comprehensive training for faculty, which includes hands-on workshops and resources, to ensure they feel comfortable using the platform. Rollout occurs in stages, starting with pilot courses to gather feedback and make necessary adjustments. Continuous support through help desks and forums enhances user experience. Lastly, I establish metrics to evaluate the LMS's effectiveness and gather ongoing feedback for future improvements. Question 310. How do you incorporate feedback from students and faculty into technology enhancements? Incorporating feedback is essential for continuous improvement. I implement structured surveys and focus groups to gather insights from both students and faculty regarding their experiences with existing technologies. This feedback is analyzed to identify recurring themes and prioritize enhancements based on user needs. I also establish an open-door policy for informal feedback, encouraging ongoing dialogue. Regularly scheduled meetings with faculty allow us to discuss technology challenges and brainstorm solutions collaboratively. By creating a transparent process for reviewing feedback, I ensure that stakeholders feel heard and valued, fostering a sense of ownership in the technology enhancement process. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.